Where are we, babe?
We are at Ikea.
Have you ever been?
Nope, have you?
No.
Oh, so we were just at the mall. Just walking around the Mall of America. Into Ikea, we'll vlog as much as we can. Should be fun.
Mall, we didn't really buy anything.
Come on, sir. Really?
We didn't really buy anything, but we made this like thing to walk around every store in the mall, just because neither of us had ever seen like every.
Walk around every floor to see every store, not walk around in every store.
That would take forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, like walk around and see every store, because neither of us had ever done that. It's just exhausting. We were gonna walk from the mall to here, but it was a lot of walking in the mall, so we decided to drive and actually got a spot really close.
Our new kitchen. Here's our fridge. We haven't went shopping yet for food. Our nice sink.
Just take the sink and one. Doesn't it look like that?
Yeah. Ignore these, we haven't taken the price tags off yet. You got your cutting board.
Oh, that's cute. I didn't know you got that.
See, we really haven't went shopping yet. We need food. And into our living room.
Our grocery list for the Walker Bryant family, not the Smiths.
And our calendar that got messed up. And into the bathroom. Okay. Here's this, our little cabinet, and our toilet, and towels. And here's our walk-in shower.
That doesn't have a drain and doesn't have a lid, so it literally just floods our bathroom.
Yeah. And into our kids' room, because we have kids. We have a kid that's named Elliot James.
With one capital L and one lowercase l.
Yeah. And there's Elliot.
I'm confused.
You don't know how to work your own dresser?
Not, well, do you?
Yeah, I do actually. I think it's just not supposed to right now.
Oh.
And his little table.
Sorry, I didn't put light bulbs.
And there's our living room again, and here's our bedroom. Ignore that stuff in the back, it's just
Another house.
it's just another house. There's our bedroom.
With the store.
So we can ignore that. Yeah, there's our little apartment.
I mean, I like my lamp. This is Ikea. It's literally amazing, and I'm blown away. And I wasn't gonna buy anything, and now Kennedy is wearing a bag. Basically sums it up. Alexis, I think we might need this. This is a wart, also known as a fork. I need salt and pepper. Can I just get one little pan?
If you want to.
It's so cute. Also, look at my tongue. We got slushy.
We got slushies.
Okay, but this is actually like really cute. And I want it. And it comes with those little pillowcases thing.
Mm.
And it looked really good with my gray sheets.
Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Oh. Will you take a picture of it? This is so like clean and cute.